my gosh. I don't know if I'm gonna have any curls left. Hey guys, my name is Unique. Welcome back to another video. I am finally going to take out these braids. I've had these braids in since Thanksgiving, so November like 25th around, and it is January 1st. So longer than I was supposed to leave them in. For people that are new on my channel, I actually have a GinaCurl curly perm, and you're supposed to leave protective styles in for no longer than 2 weeks. But I got sick and a lot was going on. I'm finally at a point where I have the energy and I'm ready to take these out. After I take these out, I'm actually going to do a length check for you guys just to kind of like track how my hair is doing. I was originally scheduled to get my GinaCurl retouched like Christmas time, but because I got sick, that all got messed up, so I actually have to call them back and make another appointment. I haven't gotten a trim since my last GinaCurl back in June. So it's been July, August, September, October, November, December. It's been 6 to 7 months. Before I got these braids in, my cousin had to blow dry my hair pretty much straight. And you're also not supposed to apply heat to the GinaCurl. So I've just been breaking a lot of rules. Bruh. I had a lot of dead ends, but I really wanted braids. I had been wearing my GinaCurl out for like a year and I was like desperate to get a protective style. So the only way for me to get the braids was if I blew dry out my hair first. In another video, I'll show what my hair turned into after washing it, after going through the whole blow drying it straight mess. I don't know if I'm gonna have any curls left, but this was actually the first time I ever put heat on my hair since having the GinaCurl in November 2020. No matter what happens, whether my curls do bounce back or not, I'm not suggesting that you put heat on your hair because that is an instruction specifically not to do. So do as I say, not as I do, but it's just hair at the end of the day. I'm kind of in a rush right now because I'm about to go out to dinner. So it's time for me to take these braids out. So the first thing I'm actually gonna do, I'm just gonna cut the very ends where the braid is no longer braided because I know my hair is definitely not down there, right? I'm gonna do that for all these braids and just hope that I don't cut my hair. So I cut that much off, not a lot. I'm just gonna unbraid this now. I actually saw a method where you comb out the braids like this, and that's supposed to be a little bit faster and help the braids come out. So I might try that just because I'm in a rush right now. Okay, I think it's actually kind of working. I wanted to at least try this on the ends and see. Not gonna lie, my arm is already hurting. Okay, y'all, so I kind of gave up. I'm just gonna unravel them with my hands. Oh my gosh. Look how dirty my hair is. I was putting a lot of edge control, so this is literally all edge control buildup. This is my hair. I hope I didn't cut it, honestly. That's kind of a little close, not gonna lie. I'm trying a different method now, and I think this might be a little bit faster. I know this is like what the method a lot of people use, but I don't usually use a comb when I'm taking out my braids. I probably should have started at the back first, especially since if I don't finish these in time, I'm gonna be in trouble. Ooh, nice. I don't know how my hair is about to look after I wash it, but this is a nice little braid out right here. It's looking nice so far. As y'all could tell, I decided to go back to my hands. Sometimes the comb gets caught when you're taking out the braids, so. You know, it probably wasn't the best idea for me to try to take these out when I'm in a rush. Literally, it's 5 o'clock. And I have until 5:30 to take all of these braids out. 1 braid per minute is what I gotta do. The buildup is pretty bad, but it could be worse. I feel like you always get the best braid outs after you're taking out like a long-term protective style. Y'all, I think I'm more than halfway done. Look at this braid out though. This is like, what? I'm more than halfway done. It's 5:18. I just have these left. One thing I do want to say, if anything, is if you are taking out a protective style or plan to, make sure you're doing it when you're not in a rush, because you will be a lot gentler, you will take your time, and you will retain more length than when you're rushing and just being a little more rough. Luckily, my hair, even though I did leave it in for like 5 weeks, it's not like matted or anything. It's not really that tangled either, so I can take it out pretty quickly and not feel like I'm ripping out anything. And also, because my hair was blow dried before this, it's also been in a stretched state, so although my roots are a little bit caked up, it's not that bad. As opposed to leaving a style in for like 3 months and then you have even more new growth and you have a lot more shed hair and your hair becomes tangled more easily. I am on my last braid and it is 5:37, so I'm a little bit behind schedule, but not bad. It basically took me, what, like 40 minutes to take out all these braids. Obviously, I will not be doing my, see, this is why I said you gotta do it in a time when you're not rushing. Obviously, I will not be doing my length check right now. Probably tomorrow I'll come back on camera and show you how long my hair is now. That way in future videos I can compare and see if I'm having length retention with the GinaCurl. All right, that was my last braid, guys. This actually looks nice. I'm just gonna do my edges or put on a headband and go out the door so that I'm not too late to the function. But this is my hair and this is the back. I will say my hair is actually really soft. Except for these braids in the front, there actually wasn't that much caking. This braid out, y'all, I'm really feeling it.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, I'm officially back and I'm kind of embarrassed to say how long it's been since I took my braids out. I have not yet washed my hair. As you can see, I have no more curl definition left, and you can see the little tiny pieces in the front of my head. Those are just pieces that have been broken for a while now, so I'm just waiting for them to grow back. But I just want to show you guys the length of my hair. I'm putting my hands in my waist so you can kind of get an idea, but my hair is still around waist length for the most part. I definitely need a trim, but I think it's looking pretty good. Just wanted to show y'all a quick side profile. I always like to put on this green sports bra for comparison later on. And this is how long my hair was right before putting the braids in. Even though my shirt is dark, hopefully you can see that it looks about the same waist length. Just wanted to add this video in since my hair is completely straight here.